The teachers peeked from down the hall. They couldn't hear the math at all. Ruby said he just loves song. He doesn't mean to ding it wrong. So they gave the bell a little stage with music sheets and a golden cage. Each morning now before the class, he sings with Ruby first to last. School begins with song.